Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Now who they zuzu? Now who they calavante? Nobody they zuzu. Yes, nobody they zuzu. I traveled to Nigeria, to East. You know, say our sister. She said, "May we go to Daxivia house. Whether we'll see anything, when we'll sit on back." Now, children, I pick my true shoe, put on for leg. I go there. As a tafia China when I get. Now I go there. First of all, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. Yes, so. All my returning, I appreciate you guys. I have enough for mine. Yes, and my sister also, Nelo, Okeke, this particular part of her video when she filmed where they for the sell ring. There is something I love to talk about that particular video. And for say me when I watch that part before I will enter there. Lilipo and her friend. Yes, let's go to our sister. There is one particular part I like to.
How did it come about? Like, how did you think? Okay, you know what? I need to start selling diamonds. Like, how did that happen?
So let's start in a faraway country. So many years ago, when I was still dating my husband. Yeah, so then he was my fiancé. He wanted to get married. This is 2007, 2000 and no, let me say 2000. I don't know again. 2005 or 2004, 3. So I can't remember now. Yeah. Anyway, so we've been dating for a while. He wanted to propose to me, and then he wanted to get me a ring, and I knew about it. And so I read all these mails and boons where there's always like a surprise. And I didn't have that surprise, So he had to ask his brother who lived in the UK at that time to buy a ring for me. And so I didn't like the fact that somebody else was choosing my ring. He wasn't the one that chose the ring. We lived in Nigeria. We lived in Port Harcourt, and at that time we didn't know where to buy rings in Port Harcourt. So his brother bought the ring. I don't even know how his brother found my size or knew my size. Well, he bought the ring and it fits. And of course, the day he was proposing, I already knew. So there was no surprise element. And I was like, no surprise, nothing. So I knew the day we were going to propose to me. I knew everything. I didn't like it. And so that was the engagement. Then when it was time for the wedding, the same thing again. His brother chose our wedding band. So I was like, okay, if he chose our engagement, okay, surprise. Oh yeah, now wedding band. At least I should pick my wedding ring.
Yeah, because with the wedding,
at least, yeah. But then somebody else still picked my ring again. And I was like, this must be a problem where people don't know where to buy rings. And in Nigeria, then I didn't know. We didn't have Instagram, we had Facebook, but it wasn't like this. And all this
online something. I feel like then people had to enter the market. So everything. For those, people that sell, like, should I say gold rings or whatever, out of like glass
something. I don't know how people were surviving there.
You enter a store like this and actually choose your own ring.
So I didn't know any store in Port Harcourt then, and then we lived in Port Harcourt. Maybe Lagos they would have been, but we didn't have in Port Harcourt. So that thing was brewing in my head and my mind, and of course we got married, pregnant, baby, and all that. But then that need was still there. And so when I got married, had my first child, and I wasn't doing anything, I traveled, and so I was thinking, what should I do? When I go to what they call it, holidays in Dubai, I'll go to the gold souk and just buy 1 or 2 rings, and then I had another business I was running. Yeah. So this was like a side hustle. So it was a side hustle. So I was doing printing banners, t-shirt, face mask.
Really?
Yes.
Printing banners.
Yes. I had my own. So I was doing that printing.
Now see that part. Now that part I read because now when I started doing all those t-shirts, she dey sell t-shirts now. And then when she hears say this lady, you see why I read that part, that particular part come outside say, wetin person, wetin you dey do, or wetin you meet say person don dey do when e big, you can say start from small. You know me say like Nelo now. Nelo just launch a t-shirt when she dey sell now. When Sandra will do advert, but when she hear and say this lady have made business before, now those things, banner, t-shirt, those things. But what I want to try to talk about this video, anything when we put as side hustle, many times it dey come to big. Like this woman now, this lady, this, she said when she traveled to Dubai, when her husband want propose to her, she don't already know the one proposed to her today, because this secret. Okay, marriage ring, now see the same person buy am for her. That thing make her start up dreaming about starting up selling ring. Then when she travel to Dubai, she go buy 1 or 2. She go bring am come Nigeria, she go sell am. When she still go back, she go buy am 1 or 2. So she said they get branch for Ghana, they get branch for Lekki, I don't know how many place, Port Harcourt, those area. She said they don't get a branch. Anything start little, it will become big. Anything start little, it will become big. So far, focus on what you do. Know what you embark on. No, say that thing when you do, you like doing it. Whether than 1 cent now you get when you take starter, don't worry. Just keep doing it little by little. Like me, this video still talk to me. Yeah, that particular video still talk to me. I always fear online business. online business, I always dream, I always think, what if I start am? What if people not come buy? How I go do? You know, I be person when they do live stream, I be person when they social media now, but I dey always dey fear that part. But watching this lady now, she said she starts with one. Whether maybe start with one or two, I pray make the buy case. Probably people not suggest for me. I'll still take her to my family channel. May I ask? Because when I watch this woman, she gets big company when they print banner, t-shirts, but this her second company when they say gold, diamond, engagement ring, marriage ring, jewelry, that is all those necklace, earring, you know. She started small with one, two when she traveled to Dubai, one, two. But today they have branch. They have branch in Ghana, they have branch in Nigeria, different part of in Nigeria, they have branch there. But me, I be one kind person when I dey fear. I no wan put money at the end. You know, those things they make me dey fear. The only thing I really love, what I really like to do now, those cream for stomach, when they make stomach they slim, because I use that cream, and that cream when I give birth to my daughter, that cream it do perfect, it do good job. But look for it now, I no concern. That is the only thing I say. I fit sell online, I fit invest my all those clothes. I always look at the people online. They Ali shine different parts. They to no buy clothes. If you want buy clothes, why, you know, a lot always come to my head. I don't really know what to do. Okay, that part, that our sister, our YouTube queen Nelo. You know, many reactors, we love you, we like you, because me, I even give her a look. She replied me. I said, beautiful Nelo. She replied me. I said, Naija Daughter when they react. You know, she really sweet. When you talk about her, you go her comments. So far you know you sought her, drop a lovely comment. She will answer you. Okay, she really sweet. She and Lilipo for Nigeria YouTuber. They're different. Let me just Lilipo never do live stream when I go. Be like say she do one live stream when I go. That's when they quarrel. Yes. But she and Lilipo, they understand reactor. They understand. Those two people, they too understand. For all the Nigeria YouTuber, followed by editorial too. Editorial still understand. But the rest then, they be katuka. Okay, let's go straight to Lilipo. Hey, my video don't too long. Nigeria people, they don't watch long video. Lilipo, welcome to Naija Daughter TV once again. I watch you and your sister, that Sylvia. That Sylvia, you lie for Lilipo. Let me tell Lilipo the truth.
YouTuber that would ever call me, Name, when are you returning to YouTube? You are the only person.
Because I'm missing your content.
Oh, content.
I love to watch you because I want to give you. But I used to, like when I miss somebody, when I watch
you watch me, you feel like you are there.
Then another thing, I want you to grow.
Yes, I know.
As content creator. Like I want the two of us to be in the same level, you know. I love
you.
Yes. Do you know that I heard that some people were saying I don't share my YouTube friends? Somebody screenshotted that sent to me that I don't share my YouTube friends because I want to be the only one growing. And I was like, seriously?
You people.
That I share almost all her videos. Like, seriously?
Like, the last time you called me, you were like, Mama, when are you coming back? What is this now? How long is it going to take you to come back?
I want only me for
If you want to grow, you will not even be calling me to show up. I'm not showing up. Okay. My dear, the next question is, what?
That's Sylvia. You look beautiful. You look beautiful. Hey, ha, ha, ha. But now she just share your video now. Normal before she not they share your video. Me una see they acknowledge people when they talk good about you. Your friend, see about 2 weeks ago. See she share this our mama of Naija, Ebo Mama Naija. She share her 3 weeks ago. This your friend, she not they share you. She not they share you. See as I they look at community now. She not they share you. She know they share you. Yeah, she mean well with you. You understand? But now when somebody share and send waiting people they talk to her, immediately she share your video and do collab. I watch her for I don't know the house why for watch. I be like saying Vicky Corner house I for watch that part. When Vicky Corner say, why you know they share your friend? Why you know they share your friend? And now you say now go do collab together. You know share her. But now she share you. You're supposed to acknowledge people when you talk like that. You understand? When you need each other, I know that sometimes somebody who they want supposed to share today, I forget when I watch the video finish. Sometimes we forget. But just carry, they forget, no be one, no be two, no be three, no be four video, no be five video. When you mean wait to your fellow content creator, when two of now, maybe now they share each other, now they close, you mean wait to that person, you go always share. If you not share one of our video, at least before month runs out, you must share one of our video. But they share just because people talk that part. Now Lilipo share you supposed to give us clapping hand, not fear, be free. I know say you like friend, I know say you like to dey loyal to friend, but this one you go tell her with my friend. I know some people when they talk for this street, I know some people when I go just say they share. I know some people when I start to dey share, when their community open, be like say na heaven open for them, they blank created. Now they come say nothing dey. Mostly we never would when they grow, nothing dey. Now they can't realize, this street, when you mean well with people, you go always share people to your community. Sometimes you go forget, but Lilipo no dey share una. Mostly you, the dark Sylvia, and the other of our sister waiting behind Ushe Wednesday. As far as una be friend, Lilipo, she get the growth now. She supposed to dey share now. Guys, look, this my friend content. You can Lilipo dey show am, so people say she dey support you. That in her inner house, when she dey tell you say, my friend, try to do video now, try to publish video. I know a lot of people when me they try to disturb. I never see your video. I never see your video. Not be everybody. I know like one or two people when they know say they always I never see your video. What did they sub? What did they share? Upload video. Your house don't too date for long. You understand? When you mean work to your person, you must try to correct her, or you must try to call her attention. But at the end, when that person can't do that video, why you not fit share that video to your community? Yes, my sister Lilipo, that's if you are just the me I put her and say she just the fear. She be woman like you, but now that's person like that Sylvia, she don't want anything go hurt person when two of them be friend. No, that Sylvia na person when they loyal to friend. Now wait till I see. That Sylvia not fit tell you the truth. Like just when she say, you never get any crash with anybody, and whereas you don't get, they smile, they don't it like this. You realize that you apologize. Then you the Lilipo, when they say share. Don't share. You try to collab with Nelo. Now those things cause problem. That Dyna. Now those things cause problem because you want them to share. You want to collab. Anything you collab, you don't say share must join. My beautiful two sisters, I really do enjoy this video. Yes, I wash you, the Lilipo. Now you are the wash part. As you say, maybe we go straight to our house. Maybe we go wash so that we will see something talk. Now make me go Dark Sylvia house. Yes, go wash Dark Sylvia. Dark Sylvia not just the wash and bye because when I still go her house, she not welcome me. But you, I know because I don't love that Sylvia. I love that your hello beauty. I say area. Hey, this one I don't enter again though. Me, I will tell you the truth. They share your friend. If she drop video, as far you mean work to her as a content creator, as your friend. If maybe she dey drop video every day, you know, if you share the full every day, at least once in a week. Now something, you they contribute. At least your lovers. They go see and say, you always share this your friends. Some of them will come fall in love with her. Like me now, they always they watch her. Maybe when you share her, through you, I'll still, because now through you, I take go her house. Now when you say, go watch that Sylvia, now go find something there. Not because I don't watch that Sylvia, but just be like, as I go watch her, no drop comment, I'll just pass. That Sylvia, now when I see say she sit down, then I'll know say there is food there to, pack and chop. My people, now this is why I get to talk. That Sylvia for me, she just tried to bend some things. Yes, she just tried to bend some things. You know what? When your friend, tell your friend the truth so that she will understand where she for the mixer. That's if you tell your friend, say, yes, you're supposed to share me as a friend. I know that sometimes they forget, you're supposed to share your friend. I'm supposed to see they share you. Both of us, we need our growth. We need to grow for this YouTube street. Then you sit there and say, yes, so, you be mama, and when you always they talk, when you always they see something you want to talk, yeah, that is why people see you as bad person and you not be real bad person. When they will see you for real grand, you'll be sweet. And I really believe say, Lilipo go sweet for real grand, but fly no pass when she not talk. And those kind of people not good, but not be person when whether butterfly part just because of eye service made them not go sack me, talk. My people, now this one I get to talk. That Sylvia and Lilipo, I send you both love. You both look beautiful. You both look wow. But I don't know why your video not they do well for my house again, Lilipo. What did they share? What did they cut it? Full blend, not too much, So I meet you in my next video. I'm married, Sonny. I appreciate you guys. I'm loyal, I'm humble. Yeah, so today and this side just hot. That is the everywhere. Nika. That's okay. Never you give up. Anything when you start small must always be. The only that thing I take for that video. And the ring as it take beautiful Nelo hand. Those. Yes. Never you look all that when they are done big. You can still start little. If this lady fit start little and see where she did today. You, me, can still start, but I dey fear online business. I wish na Nigeria I dey bongo, my country, I know how to do the business around, but those online business I dey fear. I dey fear because I order one thing for online, wetin dey bring up for me na rubbish, na another thing. I order hair, wetin the hair wey dey bring for me na rubbish. I order shirt, there is gown when I order, the gown very beautiful, but when e get to me, that gown na zero. That all those things make me dey fear, because if you wan embark on things now to dey first to be online for the order, what of order I come reach where you go rough you. But if you get anything you say I fit help you sell. In fact, you go make my social media accounts to help you dey advertise and direct people to you.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I dey win by default and without any doubt.